Hello everyone, so now we are going to do some lab in the CML, CISCO Modeling Lab. So let me show you how we can do the lab. You get the IP here, you need to type this IP in the browser. So I will write here 192.168.45.142. So you need to write this one 142 and then you will get this prompt and you can minimize this and log in here. Whatever the username and password you keep, you need to log in with that one. And once you log in, you will have this type of dashboard here. After that, you can click here to add a new lab. Then you can check here. You have all the devices available here. So now this one is the router. This one is a layer 2 switch, manageable. That is layer 3 switch. You can use this one as a layer 2 or layer 3 switch. Both feature available here. And this one is unmanageable switch. So depend which one you need. And this is a Linux machine you have. You can use as a client or server this one. So let me take the router. I will take two router here. Just drag and drop here and you can connect. If you want to connect, just right click on the device and click add a link and click here and create a link. After that, if you want to change the name of the router, just click here and give the new name, whatever new name you want to give. Then again click here and give the new name here also, write R2. You have here also the new name. After that, you can power on the device. Right click start. Right click start. So this both devices is started now. And right click take the console here. Right click take the console here. So this is a console of R1. Click here open console. Click here, this is a console of R2. Now you can put the IP whatever you are planning to use. So we are planning to use here 192.168. Okay, let me write here 192.168.12.0/24. Okay, I will make this bold and we can keep in between here. So 12.1 will be here, 12.2 will be here. And we can take some loopback here. I will say here I will take loopback is 1.1.1/8 here. And the other side also I will take one loopback here in the R2, that is 2.2.2.2/8. Okay, so now we will do the configuration. So configuration is simple. We will configure the routing protocol. EIGRP we will do. So let me go here in the R1 and do the configuration. Basic configuration. First you need to go to the global configuration mode. I will change the name of the switch name of the router as a R1. Okay, and then I can assign the IP. I will write interface E0/0. I will give here IP address, whatever IP I want to assign 192.168.12.1. Give it space 255.255.255.0 and write here no shut. Then after that you have interface. I will create loopback interface with this command interface loopback 0. I create the loopback interface. Then I will write IP address and I can configure 1.1.1. give it space 255.0.0. Okay, so these two interface I configure. If you want to check, you can write do show IP interface brief. These are the two interface just now what we configure. If you see this one, these are the two interface we configure. Now I want to enable router EIGRP and process ID the AS number. If you press question mark, you can see here AS number autonomous system. I will write here from 1 to 65535. I will give 1 here. Then you need to write network and network ID. So network ID of this one. So you will write here 192.168.12.0. Because we are using class full, so no need to write wildcard mask. Just directly we can write the network ID of this one. So we advertise here. If you see, we advertise this two interface here. Okay, EIGRP work is done here. Now we can go and configure in the R2 also. Now I am in the R2 device, router 2. I can give the name here. Host name is R2. I change the name into R2. This is the router. With this command we can change the name if you want to change the router name or switch name. Then I need to assign the IP. So go under this interface, assign this IP, and we will have the loopback. We will assign the IP with that one. So you will write here interface E0/0 and you will write here IP address 192.168.12.2. Give space 255.255.255.0 and we will write no shut here. Then I will create interface loopback 0. I will write here IP address, whatever IP address we plan to give for loopback, we plan to give 2.2.2 and class A. So I give the class A subnet mask. Now I need to enable the EIGRP. So I will write router EIGRP, AS number is 1, network ID I need to write. So network ID of that one will be 12.0. Then again network, and what is another network 2.0.0.0. So I advertise here. Okay. After that you can write show IP route and check the routing table. So you can see D stands for, here you can see D stands for EIGRP. You can see this one. If anyone want to go to this network, they can forward the traffic here 12.1, and here you can see AD value is 90 and this is a metric. As we know, we have K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. So K1, K3 is using here, and from this much time this route is up, and this is a leaving interface here. Okay, and now if you want to ping, you can ping here like 1.1.1.1. I am pinging from R1 to R2, and you can ping like this, and source you can change, like it will, when you write like this, we are pinging this IP from this interface, this one. Now when I write here source and this IP means we are pinging from this loopback from here to here. Okay, so when I ping, it is working perfectly. Same thing if you go here also. First you can write show IP route here to check the routing table, and you can see you have the network from D stands for EIGRP here, you can see, and these are the network you have, and this is the AD value, this is a metric. Next hop will be this one, and this is the time, from this much time this route is up, and this is the leaving interface. And if you want to ping, you can write ping 2.2.2.2. so ping reply is coming, so you are pinging from this interface. Now what you will do, you will ping from loopback, so you will write source 1.1.1. so from here also it is pinging. If you want to capture the packet, right click here, click the link and packet capture, click this one. So you will capture the packet, click start, and you will see the packets, EIGRP packets. If you want to filter, you can click here the protocol and filter, you want to see only EIGRP packets, and we filter here. Now you can see EIGRP. Okay, so 12.1 is sending to 12.2, 12.2 is sending to 12.1, and they are using the destination IP is 224.0.0.10, and this is a EIGRP protocol. If you want to open this one, click this and you can check. This is a EIGRP packet. Inside you are using the version 2. This is a hello packet, and checksum value is correct. Okay, so this way you can check. Autonomous system we are using as a 1. So this all information also you can read in the Wireshark. And see, metric we are having K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6 also, but now we are using, by default EIGRP will use K1 and K3, bandwidth and delay. Okay, so this information also you can see. So this is a basic lab about the EIGRP. If you have any doubts, any confusion, write in the comments. Thank you. Bye.